guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing kind of a little bit of a different vlog today because I didn't have anything planned. So I figured while I'm walking to my favorite coffee shop to grab a coffee, I would give you guys a little walking tour of Phoenix, kind of like where all the major things are, stuff to do down here if you're ever in Arizona, a little walking tour of downtown Phoenix as someone who lives here. So we're on a little intersection here first, and I have the first thing that I want to show you guys. And I don't know, I just thought this would be interesting because I saw this video idea from someone else a while ago, and I thought it was so cool. She did it for Austin, Texas. And as someone that's never been to Austin, Texas, I thought it was fascinating. So I figured that's what we could do today, right now. But first, before we get there, I do have to show you an Arizona classic, Bosa donut. They have a chokehold on Arizona. Their donuts are amazing, I will say. If you're a donut lover, check out Bosa. Chase Field. So Chase Field, this is where the Diamondbacks play. I have been here for one game before. It's so much fun. It's so amazing. Tickets are only about $25, $30 each. You can sometimes even get them for cheaper, so it's not even that expensive to come to a game, and it's a super fun activity to do in the spring or summer. You've got Guy Fieri's kitchen, there's a Caesar Sportsbook, there's this whole little area to kind of drink and eat and hang out before the game as well. It's super pretty. We are about to walk by a really good taco joint. It's called Willie's. Last time I was there, I got the crispy rolled tacos, and they literally tasted like taquitos. Oh my God, they were so good with shredded steak inside. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Pretty average margaritas, but the food is really good, and it's always packed on the weekends because it's right down the road from Chase Field. You can see Chase Field right there. So it's a really easy way to grab a quick bite before a baseball game. And here's Willie's. Then when you walk right across the street from Willie's, you literally run right into the Footprint Center. This is like the little side view of it. So we will keep walking and get around so I can show you the front. They're also starting to switch all the signage over from the Suns to the Mercury. So it's really cool to see some incredible women up here on these posters. And sports betting is also legal in Arizona. So here is another sports book attached to the Footprint Center. I have not been here yet. I'm not a personal FanDuel fan. If I'm going to place a bet, I usually use DraftKings, but the bar itself looks really sick, I do have to say. Tom's Watch Bar just recently opened, so I've actually never been there, and I don't know if it's good or not. And then here we are coming around to the front of the Footprint Center. So this is where the Phoenix Sun play, the Mercury. There's so many concerts here. This is where I came to see Sabrina Carpenter. Tate McRae came here last fall, and she's coming back again this fall. But this is the front of the Footprint Center. Across the street from the Footprint Center is this Fry's too. This is my grocery store that I go to, and it's really nice being able to just walk there. Now we are about to walk by one of my favorite things to do downtown. My boyfriend and I love stand-up comedy, so we like to go to Stand Up Live, and we've actually seen some really good comedians there. We've seen Tim Dillon, William Montgomery from Kill Tony. We've seen a couple other people there, but that is Stand Up Live that I was just talking about. Also, recently I have been on a massive Nashville hot chicken kick. If you were ever downtown and you're looking for something that's a little bit easier to just take away, grab and take away, you need to come to Monroe's. I've made TikToks about it. Oh my God, it is the best Nashville fried chicken I've ever had in my life. And we're about to walk by it right now. Oh my gosh, it's so fucking good. It also doesn't help that I am walking by there at lunchtime because I'm starving. And then this plaza here has some more of your like chain restaurants like Five Guys, Jimmy John's. This Kona Badass Coffee though is absolutely incredible, and they use coffee ice cubes. So as your coffee dilutes or as the ice melts, it doesn't dilute your coffee. It's so good. I did go here and make a TikTok, so if you're interested, you can go check that out. But there's this Greek restaurant, which I've had a gyro from before. It's so good. There's a Chipotle over here. And yeah, just like a little food plaza to quickly grab lunch from. Another restaurant that is incredible is the Arrogant Butcher here. Oh my God, I had an amazing burger here. The service wasn't that awesome the day we came, but the food was so good, I'd definitely go back and try again. Now we're coming up on the convention center. There's a little bit of a better view of it. I have not been to the convention center yet, but they've had 2 all-star cheerleading competitions there that I almost went to. So I am hoping to go there for a cheer comp when the next season starts up, but I have not actually been here yet. It's also 95 degrees and I forgot my water bottle. Oh my God, I am so hot right now. And then that is also a convention center. It is absolutely massive. So they split it into 2 different buildings. One thing I love about downtown and kind of all of Arizona in general, because the whole state kind of has stuff like this, there are tiny little pockets of art, murals, creative pieces absolutely everywhere, and I feel like it really just decorates the city and gives you something to look at besides skyscrapers. So that is just something that I super appreciate about downtown, but kind of just Arizona in general. Like, look how pretty this is. I love it. There's one on the other side as well. I just think it brightens up the city and gives it character. I love it. I also specifically love these buildings and like this intersection in particular. I think this church is so gorgeous. I love the palm trees everywhere. It just really makes you feel like you're in Arizona. And I think the reasoning behind why these buildings are actually so pretty is because I think we're starting to creep into the Arizona State University and University of Arizona campuses. Both universities have campuses downtown, and I actually think NAU, Northern Arizona, might also have a campus downtown. I'm not 100% positive, so don't quote me on that. Quite literally walked through the ASU U of A campus, so I do know those 2 are down here. There is one of the theaters you can catch a show at. And then here is the movie theater. I have not been here yet, although I do want to come and see Lilo and Stitch, even though I've heard all the horrible things about what they did to the movie, but I still do want to see it myself, so hopefully I'll be catching a movie here soon. We have finally arrived to my favorite coffee shop. It's on this street. Actually wasn't gonna pop into my favorite coffee shop to grab anything. I was gonna just take a little stroll by, but since I forgot my water, I think we are gonna pop inside and get myself a silly little drink. And that was my little coffee shop that I love going to. We go every Saturday morning because it's on the way to the farmer's market. I obviously will not be able to show you the farmer's market today because it's not going on, but I did take you guys to the farmer's market in my vlog that I posted last Friday, the weekend in my life. So if you want to go see what the farmer's market looks like, you can go catch some clips there. But I will show you how convenient it is to the coffee shop because we're just walking right along the corner of the coffee shop. The coffee shop is attached to an apartment complex. So we're just walking around the apartment complex and the coffee shop, and we are gonna run right into the farmer's market. It's actually so weird because, oops. And oh my God, it looks so much different when it's not the market. But yes, this parking lot over here where the carport is and this little lot is where the farmer's market is in the morning. So we just grab our coffee, walk across the corner, go to the market, and yeah. And then I'd say I'm probably a mile, like maybe 1.3 or 4 miles from home. So I have a decent walk back, but it's a great way to get my steps in. I've got my little coffee to keep me caffeinated on my way home. I didn't have an Alani this morning, so it's kind of needed. Yeah, I think that is where I'm gonna end my little walking tour of Phoenix, and this is just like a little walking tour of my personal favorite places. I didn't really touch on too many places that I like to eat down here, so if you'd like me to do another part 2 where I focus more on like restaurants, things to do, there's Midtown, Roosevelt, there's so many different neighborhoods, so many more things to do that I didn't even touch on or talk about. I also could probably tour apartments for you guys if you guys are maybe interested in seeing what it would be like to live downtown in different downtown apartments. I don't know, just let me know if you liked this video and I can do more videos on Phoenix. I absolutely love Arizona, and I always joke and say that if I could get $1 for how much I talk about how much I love Arizona, I would be a millionaire by now. So I'm gonna have my coffee, walk home for some lunch, and yeah, thank you for walking around one of my favorite places with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.